going to pass the thread through from the back to the front and bring it all the way to the first part. You will start by threading the first hole from top to bottom, then go to the upper hole, thread it from bottom to top. Bring your thread in between the discs and floss it in. Then thread the left hole from top to bottom. From here, we're moving to the next part, starting with the upper hole from right to left, then from left to right on the bottom hole, skipping the middle one. From here, we are going to the hook, then around the tension discs by flossing it into the discs and over this little spring right here. Then pass it under this elbow. From there, go up to the take-up lever and pass it through the hole from right to left. Then move down and hook it there and down to the spirally hook. Insert the thread into the hole at the base of the needle. Then into the needle eye from front to back. Make sure the thread is resting under the press foot like so. To access the bobbin, gently lift the whole machine up. Take the bobbin out using the little latch. Here is the bobbin case, and take the bobbin out of its case. Spot the slit and insert the bobbin, making sure it turns clockwise. And insert the thread into the slit by doing a U-turn all the way under the little metal plate. To place it back into the machine, hold the latch of the bobbin case and position it back in, turning right and left to make sure it is held in place. Gently bring the machine back. The machine is heavy. Unscrew the needle just enough to release the needle down. You can see a concave shape on one side of the needle. On the other side, you can see a long groove in which you can slide your nail all the way down to the needle eye. Each machine has a diagram indicating how you want to insert the needle back in. The diagram is a cross cut of the needle, showing that the long groove is placed towards the front of the machine. Insert the needle all the way in and screw it back in place. Tighten just enough to hold the needle. When the white line is right below the blue line, this means the machine is set to a straight stitch. To set it to zigzag, unscrew both knobs, which release the stitch selection handle. bring the white line right above the blue line. If you go further, the stitch will be wider and the needle will hit the presser foot and break. Hold the handle and tighten the knobs. To set it back to a straight stitch, simply unscrew the knobs and lower the stitch selection handle